Let's fill out the Kentucky General Power of Attorney together, the document that lets someone you trust handle your money and property. Start with you, the principal. Type your full legal name and where you live. Use your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID, so there's no doubt who signed. Now name your agent, the person you're giving authority to. Here, Ben Carter, with their address. And name an alternate. Here, Carlos Diaz, in case your first choice can't serve, so your document doesn't stall if something happens. Now the powers. The form lists subjects, A through N. To give your agent authority over everything, initial the line in front of N. To grant only some, initial just those specific lines instead. Then choose when it takes effect. Here, effective immediately. One important thing. Depending on your state, a general power of attorney may stop working if you become incapacitated. If you want it to keep working no matter what, ask about a durable power of attorney instead. Finally, print your name and date it. Sign it the way your state requires. We'll cover those exact rules in the recap. Then give a copy to your agent and to anyone they'll deal with, like your bank. First, the document must be signed by the principal. Now, if someone else signs on the principal's behalf, that signing must happen in the principal's conscious presence, and it must be done at the principal's direction. So the principal needs to be aware of and actively directing that signing. If that alternative signing method is used, the reason for it must actually be stated in the power of attorney itself. So you can't just have someone else sign without explaining why, right there in the document. Now, here's something helpful to know about signatures. If the principal acknowledges the signature before a notary public or before another individual authorized by law to take acknowledgments, then that signature is presumed to be genuine. That presumption can offer real peace of mind when the document is later presented to banks, institutions, or other third parties. So, to recap, sign the document yourself as the principal, or have someone sign in your conscious presence at your direction. State the reason if that alternative method is used, and consider acknowledging the signature before a notary or other authorized individual. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.